If our judges are working, nobody has to come and meet you and beg you. You are afraid to be irrelevant. Nobody, you don't want the society to function. Because people like you, when society functions, you become irrelevant. You become irrelevant.
If you are going by this narrative, what happens to your father, who is Fela Kuti? If we are going by this narrative, what happened? What about your father, Fela Kuti? If Nigeria was relevant, would Fela be who he is? Because when you look at Fela, Fela is more than just music. You cannot just say, oh, because how many people they listen to Fela music today? Fela is a legend. I don't want to disrespect him, but what made Fela who Fela is? What made people what made people see Fela as who Fela is was not just about music. Fela was a symbol of hope too to Nigeria. Fela was a movement. Fela was who people, when a common Nigerian look at Fela, they will see Fela as somebody that has our interest at heart. Someone that is fighting for us. Someone who lived with the common man, who see the pain a common Nigerian goes through and decides to fight for the betterment of Nigeria. That is what a common Nigerian saw Fela as. And as a common Nigerian today, that is what they see Verydarkman as. A symbol of hope. A symbol of hope. Somebody who is there for that common man. Because in Nigeria, life they lead you already. 5-1. Life they lead you already. So to have somebody who dedicate their life, who dedicates their life just to fight for. Verydarkman has a very huge platform. Verydarkman has a very huge platform. If you use that platform and try to start monetizing it, try to start using it to be doing adverts, to be collecting money, Verydarkman will be one of the biggest influencers in Nigeria. If Verydarkman decides to go into, believe me, Verydarkman is funny. That is funny because he knows if you want clout, if you want follow clout, you can go follow him to the highest. When you see that issue with him and King Michi they get, Verydarkman call ambulance, literally bury himself. If you want create content, Baba is a very fantastic content creator. He will go all out. You see an issue with Portable. How many music will Verydarkman drop for Portable head? If Verydarkman want to create content, he is very good at it because why? He's fucking creative. Verydarkman is a creative genius. He will make money from content creation. Proper money. If you want to do streaming, you go stream properly. You go make money for content creation because he's brilliant and he's very creative. So don't use that as an excuse. I don't want to be emotional with this, but Nigerians, listening to all Seun Kuti had to say concerning this. Listen.
All the fights where you don't follow Pastor Jeremiah fight, Jeremiah don't close in church. Did Jeremiah close his church? What have you done that people have stopped doing? When you come talk, say that you make me a call, say now make government, you make government do waiting. Now I protest. Now your protest was to meet governor. I don't tell you. Your protest was to meet governor. And you don't meet governor, case closed. It has nothing to do with the rescue of the school girls and their teachers and the school boys and their principal. You understand? Because the logic, see, this week I'm calling you very daft man. Because this logic, is quite daft. Because going by your logic, say you can gather your rats and can go and make government do something in 3 weeks. You never gather your rats to go meet government to solve youth unemployment. You never gather your rats more than go meet government with a protest. So start things we go give you to work. Because it is those institutions that go fit give you to work. It is in the real development of education. When you renovate one school, government can renovate 10,000. Now that in the renovation of those 10,000 schools at once, now all those rats when they follow you, when you get what they do, now they'll figure work what they do. Now in the building of the hospitals, hiring of people will go drive the thousands of ambulances will go full our country. Now all those people when they follow you go take their work. But you no more make their work. Because why you never go do rally against youth unemployment, make government answer you in 3 weeks. So you get that kind of power, very daft man, to solve problem, to make government work. Government will not like to do any work. When we say so, tell you God, they ask Nigerians to go clean gutter for government, because government cannot even provide sanitation. So you can make government work, and you have not made government work for youth unemployment. Very daft man. Very daft man. So now you know fit do that one. Since all these days when you don't gather these people, since all these days you know say you get the power to make government work. Government will hate work, and you refuse. Since all these days you can't go bring 1 second video. You see. Now the funny thing be that thing is still a setup, because you never still answer the debate. And if our judges are working, nobody has to come and meet you and beg you. You are afraid to be irrelevant. You don't want the society to function, because people like you, when society functions, you become irrelevant. You become irrelevant. I tell you, that's why you run go choke mouth for Showore matter. So I'm still waiting for you. In fact, this is the last time I will talk on anything about your matter until you accept the debate. Let's debate on the topic publicly in the presence of Nigerians. Come and back your ideas. Come and back it intellectually. I dare you to come and back your ideas intellectually. I'll come and sit down so that we call a neutral third party. Yes, to moderate and ask the questions. Let's see you defend this nonsense that you're always making. Can you defend it intellectually? You cannot. That's why you don't want people to rise up, really. You just want them to stay the way they are, to sanitize the image of oppressors. Make we go they beg money from people where they thief our money, make we they chop our vomit. So now, as first lady come outside now, say that they do charity. Is that their job? Is that what Nigeria deserves? Make we can't chop vomit. People we don't thief our money, we don't make us poor. How many children can you help? How many? UNESCO, can you do more than UNESCO? You cannot do more than UNESCO. You know how many things UNESCO don't they do for Nigeria? Millions are still falling out of education. You know how much UNESCO gets? But we try to teach you people, try to show you, like when they manipulate talk. I asked you 5 questions. You use 1 second video, they just 5 questions with answer of 2 questions. But in favor una go like show the world. That's what una be. What you like, what you like. Now una go run they show the world. Because it favor you. You cannot show the world the truth. You can't show the world the truth. You can't tell the world the truth. Now what in favor now go run manipulate.
See, Verydarkman is a symbol of hope to Nigerians. That is way above any other thing. In a country whereby everything is messed up, he is somebody like Nigerians can see as a symbol of hope, can see as a justice system. Because when you say that when Nigeria is not working, that is why people believe in Verydarkman, or that is why Verydarkman is relevant. Even in a functional country, there are still people. See, there is no country that is perfect. Believe me, there are still people who in that country that are still going through a lot. As perfect as America is, they had the likes of Martin Luther King. They had the likes of Malcolm X, who are always fighting for something. There is nothing like a perfect country. And in every country, there are always people out there trying to make changes, trying to become a change they want to see in the society. And Verydarkman is one of those people. Believe me. See, Verydarkman is a symbol of hope to a common Nigerian. Whether you like it or not, he is a symbol of hope. He has put his life on the line try to make things happen. Many people hate him today just because he wants to see Nigeria better. So dead this narrative. Dead this narrative is a very lameless narrative.